Search the download. Search the official website. Okay, this is the official website. Click here. This white website loading. This here the driver for the Windows, for the Mac, and for the Linux. Okay, I am click for the Linux. You looking the version. Click here. This here the version for Linux, and this here the release update text. And I am recommendation for you. You download package driver. This here the package much include the driver. Okay. Now I am click for Mac operating system, and I'm looking the version. Click here, and this here the version for Mac 12 and Mac 11 and Mac 8. This here the new driver and driver update. I am testing for the Mac uh, 12 and this here the Mac 12 driver. This here the driver scanner, and this here the driver printer. You looking the update release. This here the new update release. Okay, and this here is software and not firmware. And I am now testing for the Windows. Click the Windows, and this here the operating system version for the Windows. Click here, and this here the Windows 11 and Windows 8, Windows 9.1, Windows 9, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows XP, Windows Server. Okay, I am testing for the Windows 11. Click the Windows 11 driver download. Okay, this here the serial full driver and software package for the Windows, and you look in the release update. This is the new date release update. Okay, and this here the if you need to download for driver print and scan only. This here the driver print and scan only, and this here the driver printing scan wireless port, and this is the printer and multimedia printer security. Okay, I'm recommendation for you to download a package driver. This driver package format include the driver and printer, scanner, network, wireless, and this here much includes for the compatible the driver. Okay, click here, and this is the outline and system requirements support for the Windows 11, and this here is setup instruction for the tutorial install, and if you need install you read here. Okay, and this here if you need download, this here click here if you need download driver. If you not, click here but download not show. Click here, I have read and agree to the terms. Click here, driver download. If you need install driver for your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and you please write the finish driver download, and you click run as the driver. Driver detect the automatic for the cable printer. Okay, thank you for watching. If you need download, if you need link download below description. If you need question, comment below. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video. Bye bye.